So in the last video, right, we learned how to connect a database built with NoCodeDB, right, and we connected that to TypeBot such that any user who interacts with the chatbot can now ask for information like the description, the price, and the mail type, okay, simply by giving the order name, right? So in English, it means when the user type in, say, Mocha, is able to get the description, the price, and whether is it available for the breakfast or brunch menu. All right. Now we're going to add AI, okay, to this chatbot flow, such that when the user, for example, okay, enter the search term cold brew, not only the chatbot will retrieve all this information, it will also recommend the user order another item and provide the reasons why the user should order that item, okay, together. All right, so let's do this. All right, so what we need to do now is to add OpenAI. Okay, and we just need to, okay, find the account. Okay, so we are going to create chat completion, and the model is 4.0 mini, right? So now we're going to create a message. Okay, and the message is assistant. Okay, so we're going to say using the info given in. Okay, so let's create all this. The order name. Okay, the description, the price, and the mail type. Okay. All right. So the mail type. Create a reply. Okay. So friendly and lively reply for our customers. Okay. So we would also want this to be perhaps be short. Okay. All right. So if the mail type is both, it means it's available for breakfast and brunch. Okay, all right, so okay, and then okay, and then okay, so the user, okay, so maybe this one I will say okay, let's try this. All right, so maybe I'll just remove this, and okay, all right. All right, okay, so from here, okay, this is the reply. Okay, and this is AI. Okay, all right, and let's oops. Okay, so this is we're just going to put this here. Okay, so let's publish this. Okay, so let's try this out. All right. So we know French toast is available. Okay, so without AI, this is what we will get. So with AI, this is what we'll get. All right. So the thing is this, right? we should refine the prompt such that AI basically will perhaps not be so promotional. Okay, right. This is more like a promotional message. Okay, and we are also going to do something. We're also going to add more information, right? So maybe we will switch it around a little bit. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to include this recommended item and the why they should get this item too. Okay, all right, so let's go back to this. Okay, and let's do the response mapping. So I'm going to try something else. Okay, so we are going to copy this and paste it here. All right. So I don't think they're going to work. Okay, because they are looking for a few name. Okay, right, a few name instead. So, but we'll never know. Okay, so over here, I'm going to say complementary item. Reason. Okay, reason. Okay, all right. And we will need to change this as well. Okay, so in the message here, so say create a, okay, okay, so say when they ask for an item on the menu, always recommend them another item as a cross sell. Okay, all right. So I think this one we can leave it. This is meant for this. Okay. So maybe what we'll do is we'll change this a little bit. No, maybe we'll leave it. And we will have the complementary item and the reason. Okay, so let's see if AI is able to figure this out. All right, so let's test this. Now, let's see. Okay, let's order an item. Let me see. Okay, let's order the oatmeal bowl. Okay, and $7. And if we order the oatmeal bowl, the chatbot should recommend the Americano. And this is the reason, simple healthy combo. Okay, so let's take a look at this oatmeal bowl. Okay, so we want to order the oatmeal bowl. Okay, so you can see that this two doesn't exist. Okay, so they do not accept the ID. So in this case, they want the name. All right, so let's go back here and rectify this. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna change this to recommended, and I'm gonna change this to reason. Okay, so then it'll be so much easier on this side. Okay, response mapping. So this is recommended, and this is the reason. Okay, so I'm gonna publish this test, and let's try again the same item, oatmeal bowl. Okay, so this is what happens if there's no AI, and with AI, it will say that, okay, you have all this. Okay, why not have a warm Americano? Okay, so it is a match made in heaven. Enjoy. Okay, so let's try to find another one. Okay, so what happens if we were to get, say, chicken and waffles? Okay, chicken and waffles. If we order chicken and waffles, it should pair well with mocha because sweet mocha harmonizes blah blah blah. Okay, so let's try this. So if we order chicken waffles, okay, the chatbot should be able to recommend. Okay, so it should recommend delicious mocha, perfect combo for a delightful brunch. Okay, so this is so good, right? So this should be the response that we get, okay? But of course, we need to clean up the conversation and make it more conversational. Like, what is it like to order? And have you ever considered this? And what's the reason? Okay, so instead of like this, we should split the answer to, hey, maybe you should consider this, and here's the reason why. Okay, right? And we should also give them the price and the description first, right? But it's for the purpose of demonstration, I've lumped them together. But of course, when we set this up for real world, usage, right? Use case, then we will need to split the response such that if you're looking for this product on the menu, then I should address that first and tell you how much, what's the ingredient, for example, and then another message that says, hey, wait a minute, since you're ordering this, why not consider this as well, right? So this would be like a cross sell, and would help the restaurant to make more sales. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this little video. We're using TypeBot along with NoCodeDB to create a database which the chatbot can interact and go back and forth to retrieve information, and then fortify this information, enhance it with AI to make it more conversational. Okay, and this can be easily done within TypeBot. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, goodbye.